Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically follow accounts on CapCut and like and even comment on their templates. So just go to templates here and select the kind of template that you want to like and comment on. So for instance, this one. I can just click on it. Okay, there we go. To like it, just select the heart button, and to comment, just comment this. And if you want to follow the creator, just simply select the follow button. If you want to see more of it, you can go back to your homepage here, and you can see who you're following on your CapCut account. Ta-da! And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!